She stayed home, for she was sick.
She stayed home, for she was sick.
I was hungry, for I skipped lunch.
I was hungry, for I skipped lunch.
He was late, for he missed the bus.
He was late, for he missed the bus.
We were happy, for we won the game.
We were happy, for we won the game.
I wore a jacket, for it was cold.
I wore a jacket, for it was cold.
They were quiet, for the baby was sleeping.
They were quiet, for the baby was sleeping.
She doesn't like tea, nor does she drink coffee.
She doesn't like tea, nor does she drink coffee.
He didn't call, nor did he send a message.
He didn't call, nor did he send a message.
They don't eat meat, nor do they cook it.
They don't eat meat, nor do they cook it.
I don't know the answer, nor do I want to guess.
I don't know the answer, nor do I want to guess.
He can't swim, nor can he float.
He can't swim, nor can he float.
We didn't go to the party, nor did we watch the movie.
We didn't go to the party, nor did we watch the movie.
She likes apples and bananas.
She likes apples and bananas.
He is reading a book and drinking tea.
He is reading a book and drinking tea.
They play soccer and ride bikes.
They play soccer and ride bikes.
I washed the dishes and cleaned the table.
I washed the dishes and cleaned the table.
She sings and dances.
She sings and dances.
He is tired, but he keeps working.
He is tired, but he keeps working.
She is hungry, but there is no food.
She is hungry, but there is no food.
It's cold, but she isn't wearing a jacket.
It's cold, but she isn't wearing a jacket.
He wants to play, but it's raining.
He wants to play, but it's raining.
They are poor, but they are happy.
They are poor, but they are happy.
She is shy, but she is singing.
She is shy, but she is singing.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Do you want tea or coffee?
We can watch a movie or play a game.
We can watch a movie or play a game.
Is it a cat or a dog?
Is it a cat or a dog?
You can sit here or there.
You can sit here or there.
You can write with a pen or a pencil.
You can write with a pen or a pencil.
Should we go left or right?
Should we go left or right?
It is raining, yet she has no umbrella.
It is raining, yet she has no umbrella.
He is tired, yet he keeps working.
He is tired, yet he keeps working.
They are hungry, yet there is no food.
They are hungry, yet there is no food.
The dog is small, yet it is very strong.
The dog is small, yet it is very strong.
She studied hard, yet she failed the test.
She studied hard, yet she failed the test.
He is young, yet very wise.
He is young, yet very wise.
It was hot, so I drank water.
It was hot, so I drank water.
She was tired, so she went to bed.
She was tired, so she went to bed.
It was raining, so I used my umbrella.
It was raining, so I used my umbrella.
He studied hard, so he passed the test.
He studied hard, so he passed the test.
We were hungry, so we made sandwiches.
We were hungry, so we made sandwiches.
The movie was funny, so we laughed a lot.
The movie was funny, so we laughed a lot.
She is happy because it's her birthday.
She is happy because it's her birthday.
He is crying because he lost his toy.
He is crying because he lost his toy.
I'm wearing a jacket because it's cold.
I'm wearing a jacket because it's cold.
I wear glasses because I can't see well.
I wear glasses because I can't see well.
She is sleeping because she is very tired.
She is sleeping because she is very tired.
She is running because she is late.
She is running because she is late.
Although it was cold, she went outside.
Although it was cold, she went outside.
Although he was tired, he finished his homework.
Although he was tired, he finished his homework.
Although it was raining, we played football.
Although it was raining, we played football.
Although I was scared, I spoke in class.
Although I was scared, I spoke in class.
Although she is young, she can cook.
Although she is young, she can cook.
Although we were late, the teacher smiled.
Although we were late, the teacher smiled.
If the sun shines, we will go outside.
If the sun shines, we will go outside.
If she has time, she will paint.
If she has time, she will paint.
If we are quiet, we can hear the birds.
If we are quiet, we can hear the birds.
If he drinks milk, he will grow strong.
If he drinks milk, he will grow strong.
If it's dark, turn on the light.
If it's dark, turn on the light.
If we save money, we can buy toys.
If we save money, we can buy toys.
When I wake up, I brush my teeth.
When I wake up, I brush my teeth.
When it rains, I wear boots.
When it rains, I wear boots.
When I'm happy, I smile.
When I'm happy, I smile.
When we eat, we sit at the table.
When we eat, we sit at the table.
When I sleep, I dream.
When I sleep, I dream.
When we clean, the room looks nice.
When we clean, the room looks nice.
She listens to music while she draws.
She listens to music while she draws.
He eats a snack while watching TV.
He eats a snack while watching TV.
She cooks while her baby sleeps.
She cooks while her baby sleeps.
She studies while eating an apple.
She studies while eating an apple.
I rest while my phone charges.
I rest while my phone charges.
The cat sleeps while I do homework.
The cat sleeps while I do homework.
I wash my hands before I eat.
I wash my hands before I eat.
She brushes her hair before school.
She brushes her hair before school.
We say goodbye before we leave.
We say goodbye before we leave.
I do my homework before dinner.
I do my homework before dinner.
We pack our bags before a trip.
We pack our bags before a trip.
They stretch before running.
They stretch before running.
He drinks water after running.
He drinks water after running.
I feel happy after seeing my friends.
I feel happy after seeing my friends.
He eats ice cream after lunch.
He eats ice cream after lunch.
He laughs after hearing a joke.
He laughs after hearing a joke.
I feel tired after school.
I feel tired after school.
You can eat either an apple or a banana.
You can eat either an apple or a banana.
We can go either to the park or to the zoo.
We can go either to the park or to the zoo.
She will drink either juice or milk.
She will drink either juice or milk.
She will wear either a dress or jeans.
She will wear either a dress or jeans.
We can sit either on the couch or on the floor.
We can sit either on the couch or on the floor.
He wants to eat neither pizza nor burgers.
He wants to eat neither pizza nor burgers.
He answered neither the phone nor the door.
He answered neither the phone nor the door.
Neither the cat nor the dog is in the house.
Neither the cat nor the dog is in the house.
He found neither his hat nor his gloves.
He found neither his hat nor his gloves.
I visited neither Paris nor London.
I visited neither Paris nor London.
The baby wants neither milk nor water.
The baby wants neither milk nor water.
He not only plays guitar but also sings.
He not only plays guitar but also sings.
The cake is not only pretty but also delicious.
The cake is not only pretty but also delicious.
She not only runs fast but also jumps high.
She not only runs fast but also jumps high.
He is not only tall but also strong.
He is not only tall but also strong.
My brother not only studies hard but also helps at home.
My brother not only studies hard but also helps at home.
She not only speaks French but also writes it well.
She not only speaks French but also writes it well. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English every week.